We all know of Tesla, the electric car company owned by Elon Musk. We've all heard about their progress, and they're now on their way to fully autonomous driving. But what if I told you that Tesla was not the first to think of electric vehicles? What if we told you that there were plans to build electric cars before? And now, Elon Musk is thinking of buying Mercedes. But why? Well, stay tuned to find out more. Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Elon Musk, where we discuss Elon Musk news, Tesla news, SpaceX news, and much more news about Elon Musk. Today, we'll look at Elon Musk's big plans to buy Mercedes, what this move is all about, why now, and how it will help Tesla as a company in its journey to being the #1 electric vehicle company. But before that, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more exciting videos. So, why would Musk think of buying Mercedes? In every market, companies have to adapt to fulfill market demands, and for the car industry, it's no different. Over the last few decades, there has been tremendous growth in the industry. In addition to cars having the latest technology, some companies have merged to form one big company. In January of 2021, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles and PSA joined to become Stellantis, the fourth largest car maker. This way, it can compete in the electric car industry against giants like Toyota and Volkswagen. It took about a year to complete the deal, since it was a $52 billion agreement. When you look at Volkswagen, mergers are what keep it at the top of the automaker industry. It has about 12 brands from 7 European countries. Tata Motors in 2008 made a very significant deal with Jaguar and Land Rover, which was regarded as a costly error and a great risk. However, Tata did their best and turned the two companies around into some of the best in the world. All these automobile mergers are about strategy. These will even help them plan for the future. When some companies face a problem when it comes to technological advancement, they look to their competitors. Similarly, other companies are looking to improve their efficiency in production. One way they are achieving this is by using some insane technology in their factories for smart factories, robots, and even artificial intelligence. Some of the innovations even make other automakers rethink their future designs and plans. Electric vehicles may mean that there will be simpler production processes. However, concentrating only on the technical parts of the vehicle may not be the best way to prosper. In today's modern world, you must consider everything related to business, such as the manufacturing process, product supply, and even customer experience. Companies like Tesla and Uber Technologies, along with the government's movements to curb the production of greenhouse gases, have proven a great challenge in the automobile industry. This caused hassles in the mass production of electric vehicles. However, it's not yet clear whether these battery-powered vehicles will be used for mass transportation. In addition to this, companies like Toyota are thinking of letting go of their hydrogen-powered vehicles and joining the electric car competition. Elon Musk is known to be a very ambitious person. And recently, with his plan to buy Mercedes, this just confirms it. His plan is to buy all of Mercedes shares at once, which would make Mercedes part of Tesla now. According to Elon Musk, buying Mercedes would be the greatest thing ever. In his argument, he says that if Ford can buy Tesla, why can't Tesla buy a company like Mercedes? However, Musk did not disclose the total price since he wanted to be sure he could afford it. However, he claims that it should be between $40 billion and $50 billion. When Musk will be able to buy Mercedes, he plans to change its name to Electric Mercedes-Benz. But now, once Mercedes is part of Tesla, in addition to continuing with their products, they will also develop some things for Tesla. The main goal of this is to produce more electric cars than ever before. A few days after Musk tweeted that he was thinking of buying Mercedes, he then tweeted saying that he would buy it in 2021. However, there have been delays, and now we're not sure when it's set to happen. Since Tesla started producing millions of electric vehicles, Mercedes has been trying its best to keep up with them. For years now, Tesla has been leading the electric vehicle industry as they produce more and more models with time. But one thing Musk has been looking forward to is Mercedes' idea of an electric car. He claims that this will give him ideas on how to produce his premium electric cars. Initially, there were rumours that Musk wanted to buy Mercedes, Audi and BMW. However, when asked, he denied all that and said that he only wanted to buy Mercedes. But why buy Mercedes? Well, in the 1890s, Daimler and Tesla were both working on developing an electric car. They were both thinking of how they could travel on a motor instead of a boiler. However, Tesla's idea was somehow different from Daimler's. Daimler found that a car travels better by burning gasoline rather than relying on a motor. And now back to the present, Tesla and Mercedes are closely coming into a collaboration as both of them are starting companies in Germany that will produce the same cars. For years now, Tesla and Mercedes have been working together. They've both greatly benefited from this. Recently though, Tesla surprised everyone with the purchase of Daimler's AG electric car unit. This is the main unit used for producing Mercedes electric vehicles. This was important if they wanted to make a great difference in the electric car industry. However, this will definitely come with a lot of challenges. But what does it mean for Tesla? Now, Tesla can stop producing basic electric vehicles and produce cars that are good by conventional standards. This way, they can even make more affordable electric cars, and they'll still make huge profits from them. Another benefit of this is that they can produce vehicles that can go longer distances without being charged, as compared to the current Tesla models. In addition to this, Elon Musk also plans to buy up 24,000 diesel-powered Mercedes cars. This is highly unusual, since the electric car manufacturer has never purchased vehicles from other automakers. The fleet will most likely be used in the Tesla Network program. This program is said to allow Tesla owners to rent out their cars when they're not using them. According to a source, Musk plans to buy about 2,000 S-Class Mercedes and 22,000 vans from Mercedes. This is shortly after Musk announced his full expansion into autonomous driving. According to Musk, future Tesla owners may be able to rent out their fully autonomous cars as taxis when they're not using them, thus making money off them. Even though Musk's buying of Mercedes seems like an admission of defeat, Elon Musk recently revealed in an interview that Tesla now has full access to Daimler's patents. Daimler piqued Tesla's interest because it was at the forefront of producing sustainable mobility. But not only that, Daimler was the first company in the world to develop and produce batteries for automotive use. However, things have now changed, with Tesla leading the way in the production of batteries. The two companies were once in competition, but they have now partnered up in a $2 billion deal. Daimler will start supplying batteries to Tesla as they expand their electric car lineup. However, it seems more like Tesla's CEO has been interested in Daimler's battery production. He even said that Daimler was among the first to produce sustainable energy, though it seemed like he was interested in buying Mercedes altogether. German car makers are planning to produce an electric C-Class, which is said to come with about 400 plus miles worth of range. It's expected to come with a price tag of about $30,000 as well. In addition, they said that the car will come with new technology that will help them swap their batteries in less than 5 minutes. The collaboration between Daimler and Tesla began in 2009, when Tesla was just starting production of its electric vehicle. Back then, it was a risky move, since traditional car manufacturers had a lot of experience. And now, 11 years later, the deal has been revisited and approved by Daimler. And now, I think you can guess why it was such a good idea for the partnership to continue. And that's all for today's video, guys. What do you think of this partnership? Do you think Elon Musk will succeed in buying Mercedes? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on updates about Elon Musk. Thank you for watching and see you next time.